first thing on my mind. I knew it wasn't how I was raised. I always knew that. But it took me a while to identify the addiction was what took over, chemically needing that drug to be able to function. The biggest thing for me, for people who don't understand addiction, is that once you get into being addicted to something, you physically lose that choice. You have that choice in the beginning when you pick something up, but with alcohol and other opiates and other harder drugs, when you become dependently addicted to it, you lose that choice. That choice is gone.